It very well might be my love of puzzles. I don't know when it happened. I think it happened when I was a kid that I fell in love with difficult things to solve, thinking taking things apart, putting them back together. Most of my toys didn't survive because I was taking them apart. But at any rate, today when we were having a conversation with the guys about a new feature that we want to implement on 3Speak, Shorts, a new puzzle was presented to me. Because as you might know or you might not know, the embedded videos, the shorts that are embedded on Snappy, or they eventually will be embedded on other short form platforms as well, are not really posts. So we don't really know where the video is. Anybody can grab that link literally and embed it anywhere, and it would work. So the idea, however, and this is why it was a puzzle, is that we want to be able to present shorts on 3Speak in very much the same way that you see shorts on YouTube, where you have, your short on the main screen, and then on the side you have these buttons that you can click so you can see the likes. Well, you can like it, see the likes. You can click on another one and get the comments, so you can, chat with somebody about what's happening on the short, share, etc., etc. So the point being is that if we don't know where the video is, then we don't know who replied to the video, and if there's even replies on it, or how much upvotes or lack thereof are on the video, because it's just a link that it was shared. So I love the challenge, and I started to think of how it is that I could do it. Obviously, we do have some information about the video because we have that as part of the 3Speak infra. We have, the user that uploaded the video, we have that, and we have a unique identifier for the video. And from there, we can derive what the final URL is going to be, which will be play.3speak.tv / something something something. I know what it's going to be because I can derive it from the database. So I thought to myself, how can I solve it? And it occurred to me to build a little bot, a little service that does enriching of the database. So basically what it does, it scans through the videos that we have, the embedded videos, and currently only shorts, but it can be also long form videos. And knowing what the final URL is going to be, it then scans Hive for somebody sharing that URL. And when it finds it, then it makes sure the owner, the same owner that is on the video entry and that comment, is, exact same owner. That means, and also it checks that it was the first time that URL was shared, which is more than likely when they uploaded the video. Then that enriches the entry, and now we have a collection of information that we can use to make the short feed. Now, I explained this on this video, and it sounds like something somewhat simple, but it required not only quite a bit of thinking before I even had an idea of how to do it, but also required asking for a little bit of help, because you can't really go ahead and scan everything on Hive. You're like, let me see if I can find that comment. It makes no sense. So for that, I used half SQL, which is maintained, I believe, by my diary. I don't know if that's how you say it. And you can run queries because it is SQL, so that's beautiful. And that was at the advice of GTG, who is one of the developers and witnesses on Hive. I think the service is good to go. To be honest, it's been running for a couple hours at this moment. It's almost about done, enriching all the entries, and it's going to keep on doing that from now on. And I have this service right now running on my own VPS on Snappy, and hopefully I squashed all the bugs. I've been working on this all day, and I'm excited to report it's working. On the other hand, the other update that I did today is I worked on what I call the Pancreas API, which is the one that returns the feed, the one that you hit in order to get all the entries for the shorts, and it does it sorting it by app, that whoever uploaded the video, and of course it gives you the information of the owner, the URL, etc., and the thumbnail. So that I did today. So I had to update to two things: the Pancreas API, as I call it, and create a brand new worker, which I'm calling it, for now, Video Hunter. Anyways, I wanted to share with this on my vlog what I'm doing because I think it's pretty cool. It's already on GitHub, open source. Everything I'm doing, it's open source, so you can take a look at it if you wish. I already deployed it, and it's working. So I'm really, really happy. And of course, we're going to talk about this on Friday, and hopefully, not on Friday, on Saturday. And hopefully on Saturday, when we have the new Mantequilla Soft Hangout, we'll have more people. I already had a couple more people reach out to me, and even my brother joined Mantequilla officially as of yesterday. I don't know if he's going to do the hangout. That social things are not his thing, but I think it's really cool that we're acquiring more and more talent. I think that's actually quite exciting. As a community, we can build amazing things. Anyway, that is it for me. I hope the audio in this video comes out better. I'm going to try to edit this video. I think I found a free tool to clean the sound and maybe even put captions. So we'll see if I succeed. Anyways, too much rambling.